Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid stick drift. To begin, always keep your controller clean. Dust and debris are major culprits, so a quick wipe down after each gaming session can make a significant difference. Also, store your controller in a safe, dry spot, away from extreme heat or cold, which can degrade internal components over time. Gentle handling is key. Avoid slamming or dropping your controller to protect its delicate analog sticks. Next, let's talk about deep cleaning. Grab some compressed air and give the base of your analog sticks a good blast to remove hidden particles. For a more thorough clean, use a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe around the stick's housing. Remember, always power off and disconnect your controller before you start any cleaning to prevent accidental damage or electrical issues. This simple routine can extend your controller's life by many months. To further prevent stick drift, adopt smart usage habits. Avoid pushing or pulling your analog sticks past their natural stopping points, as this puts undue stress on the internal sensors. Consider using stick extenders. They can absorb some of the impact and reduce direct wear. Also, take a moment every few weeks to recalibrate your controller through your console or PC settings. This helps reset the stick's neutral position, keeping your movements precise and accurate. Finally, if stick drift persists despite your best efforts, it might be time for professional help. Many controller manufacturers offer warranty services that cover stick drift, so check your purchase details. Sometimes, a full replacement is more economical than repeated repairs, especially if the controller is several years old. Don't hesitate to explore these options to ensure your gaming experience remains smooth and enjoyable, without frustrating, unwanted movements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.